Hello guys, welcome back to AWMFX. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, no matter where you are. Let's continue a bit about the price structure. Here I'm gonna illustrate using XAU USD. All right. So what I'm trying to reach out here is actually it's the same concept. All right. Let's read at the structure. Let's read at the structure. All right. So currently, usually as you guys have been following me, you know that I usually trade using H4 chart, or sometimes I'll switch it to H1. One of the reason is that how should I say is that the time frame is more suitable to my daily schedule, right? Means that I have time to look at the chart at this, 4 hours, or if I'm not that busy, I can look at it every hourly. Then from there, I'll place a lot of alarm, right? If you're using TradingView, you should know how to place your alarm. Just click at the price, certain price, you just click, and then your alarm will come out, right? Like that, like just like this, right? So what happened was that let me get this out. Okay. Anyways, okay. So what happened is that sometimes we need to switch it to even bigger time frame, such as weekly or daily, in case you have doubt of the movement. All right. So here I'm gonna demonstrate to you how I usually trade. So this week, today is Tuesday, right? So yesterday, Monday, Tuesday. So what happened was that the price is not moving up and not moving down. So it's creating something we call a flat. All right, it's creating a flat, or we call it a wedge pattern. All right. So what happened is that we need, first of all, you need to have a clear direction of where is the high or the low of daily, maybe daily. Let's look at daily. So as you can see, I already highlighted quite a few numbers. So over here, this is the extreme high of the day, right? Means that if the price keep going above here, means that it will be going quite high. All right. Not only that, there is a quite big movement to reach the other top. All right. So the other thing is that when I switch it back to H4, right? When I switch it back to H4, I identify it different way. This is the previous high. All right. And then it got broken, and then it came back, retest, and then keep moving up. And then where is the previous low? This is the lowest low. All right. Or should I say it's higher low, higher high, higher low. And then what happened? The price formed another high over here. Now, this is the question. Where is the price moving? All right. Where is the price moving? In actual, we do not know where the price is moving, because the price need to break. All right. If you look at it properly, the price need to break this structure, right, in order for me to confirm that the price is moving higher in a H4 sense of H4, right? It need to move higher, all right, break this structure. Then once it come back for a retest, I'll look for any a demand zone. In this case, it's demand zone, and then I'll continue doing buy. All right, I'll continue doing buy. Then the next question you should ask yourself, is there any trading opportunity over here? So let me tell you something. Today I just take profit 60 pips, but in a lower time frame. So means that there's actually trading opportunity, but you have to know where is the high and where is the low, where's the danger zone. Should I say it's the danger zone? So what I did was that I switched it to M30, right? M30. It's a very simple trade, right? So this is what happened, right? So in M30, it has its own different high and different low, right? Agree? Hopefully you guys agree with me. Let's change it to color. So this is the high. Let's make it into green color. This is the high. Then after that, it forms a higher low over here, right? This is low, this is high, then it forms a higher low. Then what happens is that the price does not break on top, right? It does not break beyond this one, and then it came down. and broke this low over here. It broke this low over here. All right. Then what happened is that once it broke, it did some retracement, means that the price moved up. So this is where I place my trade. This is where I place my trade. All right. So this is my zone. This is my zone. And then what I did is that I switched it to lower time frame. I saw that it's a bearish engulfing over here. All right. This is the bearish engulfing. Then I switch to even smaller time frame. Then confirm that this is a bearish engulfing. So this is where I place my trade. Right, this is where I place my trade. So what happened was that the price came up, almost hit my stop loss, and then I took my profit over here at this point. Right, so it was like 60 pips. Yeah, almost 60. 50 something pips. And the ratio is not a lot, but I'm still good. This is another way of how you can trade your 1 to 4. This is another way of how you can trade your supply and demand, right? Exactly over here, and then on. This is how you can trade your supply and demand. One of a good way, right? So it's using the price structure, right? So if you keep repeating this knowledge, I mean, you can see the price, how does the price move, and then when you reach the danger zone, then you'll be aware of it. All right, just like the price, what happened was that the price came back up quite high, right? And then one of my friend took the trade. I cautioned him. I said that you have to be careful because this is a danger zone. So exactly at this point, they make a small U-turn, and now currently the price is moving nowhere. I do not know where the price is moving. So anyway, trading is all about patience. It's not that I wanted to go into a trade blindly. I must know where or what direction the price is giving me. Example over here is that, like now, I'm waiting for the price to break either this purple line, right? It has to be clean break. I don't want it to be break a bit, right? It might be a fake breakout. I want to break all the way and then came back down. Then I look for any possible demand zone for me to continue doing a buy trade all the way up. If not, I'll wait for the price to break this low over here. At this moment, hopefully it will break this low. All right, but you have to be careful with a sell over here because there is a lot of a danger zone. Right, so this is a M15 danger zone, and this is a H4 danger zone. Right, H4 danger zone. So you have to be aware where the price is coming down. If it breaks this low, comes back up, then I'll look for any supply zone and then continue doing a sell until this point where I'll be cautious. I might push my stop loss to break even, and I'll monitor it. If it's able to break this low over here, then I'll be looking for this low, and of course there is another supply over here, another demand zone, sorry, which is quite dangerous because this looks like a QML for a buy, right? QML for a buy, and this is the area. This area is the MPL. Yeah, this area is the MPL. If you do not know what is MPL, you might need to watch back some of my videos, right? So this will be a danger zone. But anyway, if you're able to catch the trade to the downside, it's quite a lot. It's quite a lot because this is gold. It's around 280 pips, right? So don't mind about the pips, how many pips you can catch, as long you get a good ratio, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6. Another advice from me to all those new traders out there is that don't, maybe sometimes you might think that I exaggerate my trades, 1 to 20, 1 to 17, 1 to 15. but it's true how I catch my trade. But just like the example I show you just now, 1 to 4, am I good with that? I'm happy with that. I mean, uh it's not supposed to be a trading day, but I saw some nice price structure breaking, so why not 1 to uh 1 to 4.4. I don't mind. Money is money. So the advice was, come back to the advice. You guys newbies out there, don't try to catch 1 to 10, 1 to uh even 1 to 8. I don't advise you to do that. uh Try to catch 1 to 3 first. I think that's the most comfortable ratio you all should be training yourself to catch. From there onwards, maybe you slowly able to see or read. I won't say see. You're able to understand the market more properly. Then you're able to catch bigger risk reward ratio. All right. So that's all from me today. Hopefully you guys learn a few tips or tricks. And of course, just take note over here. The price might just break anytime. Looking at it, it might break anytime to the upside, right? If any other news came, maybe there's any other news suddenly announced, it dropped below, then you look for any retracement to go lower and lower. All right, that's all for me. Hopefully you guys catch a few tips or tricks. Just give me a like if you think that this video is useful. All right, so see you guys next time. Bye.